Friends, welcome to srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Daemon-Thread in Java multi-threading. So first of all, we'll have a small revise. What is multi-threading? Multi. So multi means many, two or more. Threading. So threading means small logics or codings which are used in a Java program. And these small logics or codings are done with methods, because methods are block of code which are used to perform some task or work in a Java program. So coming to the definition of multi-threading, executing two or more small logics parallelly in a same program along with main method is known as multi-threading. So generally program execution takes place with main method. Line by line execution takes place till the end of the main method. So along with main method, if we want to execute other small logics or codings or methods parallelly, then we have to go for the concept of multi-threading. So the advantage of multi-threading is we can perform multitasking at a time in a same Java program, and this is known as multi-threading in Java. So coming to the Daemon-Thread. So what is this Daemon-Thread? So Daemon-Thread is nothing but least priority thread. So it is a least priority thread. So in a group of threads, if we have a Daemon-Thread, then that thread is least priority thread. So Daemon-Thread. So JVM gives less chance for execution of Daemon-Thread. So if we have a Daemon-Thread in our program, in multi-threading program, so JVM gives less chance for execution of Daemon-Thread. So example, we have garbage collection is a Daemon-Thread. So garbage collection is used to perform cleaning operation of unnecessary resources which are not getting used in the Java program when a Java program is getting executed. And this is done automatically by JVM using garbage collection algorithm. So garbage collection is a predefined Daemon-Thread. So Daemon-Thread gets executed in the background. So it gets executed in the background. So when multiple threads are running, Daemon-Thread gets executed in the background with less chance of execution. So coming to the Daemon-Thread, how to make a particular thread as Daemon-Thread and how to verify whether a particular thread is Daemon-Thread or not. So to work with Daemon-Thread, we have two methods in thread class. So the first method is setDaemon boolean value true or false, and then we have one more method, getDaemon or isDaemon. So isDaemon will give true or false whether a particular thread is Daemon or not. So it sets a thread as Daemon-Thread. isDaemon gives whether thread is Daemon or not. So Daemon-Thread or not, it will return true or false. It's going to return true or false. So using these two methods, we can make a particular thread as Daemon-Thread, least priority thread. So less chances given for execution by JVM. Example is garbage collection, which is a predefined Daemon. So garbage collection is a predefined Daemon-Thread which gets executed in the background. So setDaemon, isDaemon are used to work with daemon threads. So let us try to work with a daemon thread using a program. So Daemon-Thread example 1. So take a new page. First write the comments. Program to demo Daemon-Thread in Java multi-threading concept. Right. So step 1, we are taking a class demo thread. So it is a demo thread. We will change this demo thread to sample thread. So class sample thread extends thread class. Next, run method. So run method gets executed parallelly along with main method for different threads which are getting executed in our program. So inside the run method, we are checking if isDaemon. So we are checking whether a particular thread is daemon or not. So daemon thread is available. IsDaemon method is available in thread class. So we can use that in our subclass directly. So we can verify this using the command java p -p java.lang.thread. So in this description of thread class, we can have daemon thread related two methods. So isDaemon, it will return boolean. setDaemon, we have to pass the boolean value true or false. So these are the two methods. So we can verify this using the following command. The command goes like this: java p -p java.lang.thread class. Right. So now we are checking if the thread which is currently executing the run method is daemon thread. If it is a daemon thread, then we are printing a message: system.out.println get name is daemon thread. Else we are printing a message get name is non-daemon thread. So least priority thread and non-least priority thread. Next, come to the main class with main method. So daemon thread example 1, program execution starts with main method. So save this program in our working directory as daemon thread example 1.java. Right. So create an object of sample thread. So sample thread t1 is equals to new sample thread. So thread 1. Next, another thread, sample thread t2 is equals to new sample thread. So two thread objects. Right. So initially what we'll do is we'll print it like this. First, before starting or before setting the two thread names, so system.out.println t1.isDaemon, I'm checking whether thread 1 is daemon thread or not. We should get true or false. So initially the answer should be false. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory and compile the program daemon thread. Right. So java c daemon thread example 1.java. So compile it. No error. So initially the answer should be false. So t1 is not a daemon thread. It is returning the answer as false. Next, we are making t1.setDaemon true. So we are making thread 1 as daemon thread. And after that we are printing t1.isDaemon once again. So once again we are checking whether thread 1 is daemon thread or not. So save it, recompile it and run. So initially it is not a daemon thread. After that we have made it as a daemon thread, then it is giving the boolean value true. So t1 is a boolean least priority thread or daemon thread. So next we'll set the names for the threads. So T1 dot set name first thread, T2 dot set name tab spaces with second thread, and after that we are starting the both the threads. T1 dot start, T2 dot start. So T1 and T2 both will come to the run method of sample thread class. So if T1 is daemon thread, it will print first thread is daemon thread. Next after that, T2 is daemon false. Then it will print else part. Second thread is non-daemon thread. So let us try to save it, recompile and rerun. So initially not a daemon thread, false. After that daemon thread 2. Next first thread is daemon thread, second thread is non-daemon thread. So basically in daemon thread run method we release the resources which are not necessary while executing the Java program in the background. So that is what is the speciality of daemon thread. So note point goes like this. In daemon thread run method, we generally release or close the resources which are no longer required in our Java program during execution. So this is what is daemon thread run method. So in the run method we close the resources. Like example, it's something like we can close files or network connections or database connections. So we can close all these things in the daemon thread run method. So this is what is all about daemon thread in Java multi-threading concept, which is a least priority thread. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.